Hey everyone, Phil Carrick here from Red Chili Digital, and in today's video I'm just going to go over one of the best things that you can do as a small business owner to really enhance your digital footprint and ultimately be found by people, okay, and make more sales. Even better, eh? So what is the number one thing, or one of the number one things that I would do? And look, it takes you less than 5 minutes. How good is that? It's optimizing the title of your Google business profile. It used to be called Google My Business, Google Places. Yeah, they keep on changing it. But as of today, the 24th of June 2022, it's called Google Business Profile. Phew. Okay. So first thing you can do, let's just think. Let's have a wee think. So say, for example, you are a florist. Okay, you're a florist. You need to figure out what people are typing into Google to hopefully find you. Okay, so one of the obvious contenders would be florist near me. People tend to put the near me search after it. So florist near me. Okay, and these are all ads, by the way. Okay, these are the Google shopping ads. People pay to be here. People pay to be here. These are the display ads. A little bit further down, and we've got this lovely thing here called the Google 3-pack. Or this is Google Business Profile. This is where you want to be. Now, it doesn't matter if you're in 1, 2, or 3rd position. Okay, but what does matter is that you have at least one 5-star review. Because if you don't, look at that, Maisie, Daisy, Do. Okay, no reviews. They are actually sending traffic to Sensations and Flowers by Nicola. Now, I haven't worked with any of these people, so I don't even know them. Okay, because look, there's no reviews. So straight away, your eyes are oops, sorry, I pressed that by mistake. I didn't want to do that. So straight away, your eyes are fixated by these stars. And look, you've got more places there, but it's like page 2 of Google. How many people actually click on more places? Not many. Okay, so this is where you want to be. One of the best ways to do that is to get your keywords, or what people are searching in Google, in your title. This is your title here, Flowers by Nicola, Sensations, Forest and Hat. Okay, this is your title. What do I mean by title? Well, if we have a look for Red Chili Digital, you'll see mine come up. My goodness, look at all that. Okay, Red Chili Digital, Facebook advertising, that's a keyword. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, I'm an SEO agency. Yep. I'm Google Ads company. Yep. Digital marketing consultants. Yep. Yep. 5-star reviews. Okay, that's what you want. And look, this, how many views I've had this month, all for free from Google, 2,228. Not bad for a small business in the middle of nowhere in Northern Ireland, literally in a field. Okay, all right, so let's go back. So if we just, I'm going to show you how to find the keyword. So florist near me. Now if you type in florist near me, it's nothing at the top here, but what you can do is you can go right down and Google will give you some related searches. Excuse me. And the reason why they're related searches is because people have been searching for them in Google. So as you can see, Belfast, because it's picking up my location. Okay. Now, if you really want to go to the next level, you can pay for a wee tool. And it's only $10 for 100,000 searches. You will never, ever burn through those searches. Let me just move myself down to the bottom here. Okay, because what I want to show you is this little thing up here. It's a Google Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere. Now to get it, you just go to, now I've got no affiliation for this, by the way. Keywords Everywhere. Okay, there we are. And it's just this one here, Keywords Everywhere. Excuse me. All right, so you can install it for Chrome. I'm using Chrome at the minute, so you can see it up there. It's a Chrome extension, or if you use Firefox, you can do the same. All right, I'll just show you the pricing. There you go. Look, $10, and that's a one-off, by the way. It's not like monthly. $10, 100,000 credits. What is a credit? It's basically every time you put in a search term into Google and you've got keywords everywhere switched on. At the minute, it's not switched on because it's gray. Okay, so look, as you can see, it's off. Now, I just want to show you how good this tool is. At the minute, there's nothing under florist near me. I have no idea how many searches per month in the UK are for the keyword florist near me. All right. And apart from these things down the bottom, related searches, I've got no idea what people are typing in. Yes, you can use the Google Keyword Planner, but honestly, you need to jump through hoops to get anywhere near that. Easiest thing is just to go to keywords everywhere, $10, okay? And then what you do is go up here and look, just remember, there's nothing here on the right-hand side at the minute, and there's nothing up here. Now watch what happens. All right, so we just switch this on, and I'm searching in the UK. You can search for all these places here, okay, but we're searching in the UK. Now, what I'm going to do is just hit return now, and watch it how it changes. Wow, look at this, okay? So in the UK, every month over the past 12 months, this is a mean average, okay? There's 90,500 searches a month. That'll do nicely. It tells you the CPC, if you were wanting to advertise it in Google, roughly, give or take a little bit, roughly how much you're going to pay every time somebody clicks on one of your ads, i.e. one of these things here. Okay? All right, that's roughly how much. And the competition is basically how many paid advertisers, excuse me, are advertising for the key term florist near me. And we've got a little graph here. If we just hover over the graph, it opens up a dialog window. Sorry. There we go. So you can see, look, it fluctuates. Okay, and you've got, sorry about that. So February 2022, 135,000. In March, 110,000. So it goes up and down. Then it goes as low as 74,000 in November and May. Okay, so obviously, you know, I suppose florists, it's around Mother's Day and you know, Christmas, Easter, things like that. Okay, so what we've got here is, look at this. You can see, wow, from 2014, it's just going up and up and up. This key phrase, isn't it? It's going crazy. Look, December. Wow, February. Look at that, 139,000. A lot of searches. And look, this is why I love this tool. Florist Belfast, Florist Lisbon. All these are keywords or potential keywords if you were a florist in these areas. Okay, so if we scroll down, florist. Okay, these are just extra key terms, gives you the volume. Longer tail keywords, florist near me, florist jobs, floristry courses. I mean, look at it. It's brilliant, isn't it? It's so handy, so handy. Okay, and for $10, what's that? £7.50. Hey, go for it. Okay. So florist near me, it gets 90,500. So you never want to have the word near me in your Google title, because Google determines, yeah, how near you are to the searcher. Okay, so never have near me in your search. But we've got florist, so we know florists there. So look, we'll do florist. I just want to see how many searches for florist. 135,000. There you go, loads. Okay, so we've got florist, florist near me, florist. See if anything else sort of crops up. I mean, florist Belfast. I mean, if I was in Belfast, that superb. 1,600. And you know they're from Belfast. I mean, I'm not far from Belfast, but you know they're only searching because they put the city after, so you know for a fact they're in Belfast. Flowers delivered. Whoa, look at that, 201. Okay, so let's think of this. So we've got florist. We've got florist near me. I'm just writing these down because I'm old school. Florist near me. And flowers delivered. Right, brilliant. I wouldn't even go for anything else. Okay, and I'll show you what to do now. Once this excellent tool has done its job, you just go up here, just switch it off. Look, I've got 75,000 credits left, and I search for all my clients. All right, you'll never burn through them, honestly. So just switch it off. There's no point using it just for the hell of it. Now, what you do You sign up, if you haven't already, for Google My Business. If you haven't signed up for Google Business, that's what you call it now. You go to Google. Actually, you can still get it with Google My Business. Google Business Profile. There you go. Get listed. Okay, and what you do is you click on this Manage Now, and then you just go through the process. Now, I'm already signed in, so I'll show you how to get to it if you've already got a Google business listing. Oh, excuse me. So what you do is you just sign into your Gmail. I'll just hover over here. You can see sort of my Gmail's signed in. These nine dots, okay, whichever Gmail you've used for Google Business, okay, just go to these 9 dots, click on it, and you're looking for the storefront. There we are, business profile. Mine's down there for some reason. Most of my clients, they're in like rows 1 or 2. I don't know. Google mustn't like me. It's down here, business profile. So you just click on that. Now, there's a new thing that's happening. Google is wanting you to sort of manage it inside of Maps. So you might get a little box coming up here saying, hey, managing Maps. Actually, just say no, because you want to, I like it better in here. But anyway, it's up to you. It's up to you. But I like it better in this is the old dashboard. Okay, so what you want to do is you just click on info on the left-hand side. Excuse me. And this is what we're going. Now, there's loads of things that you need to do inside of Google My Business to completely optimize for success. Okay, but this is probably one of the biggest things, and that's what I'm showing you now. So what you do is you just click on the pencil. Okay, make sure you have your business name first. Okay, then a space, then what we call a pipe. It's just a it's a vertical line. Vertical, horizontal, yeah, vertical. It's a vertical line, and if you're on a Windows keyboard, it's normally next to the left-hand shift key. Okay, so you press the shift and put it on. Okay, so that's what we call a pipe. If you're on a Mac, goodness knows, where's my Mac? It's down my other room. Okay, so it's somewhere. Sorry, I've forgotten. All right, so that's called a pipe. Okay, if you're unsure, and you're on a Mac, just Google it. Where's the pipe on a MacBook Pro, for example? All right, so you've got your business name, then a space, then a pipe, then a space, then this is your first keyword. You must put in, if you're a florist, put in florist, then a space, then another pipe, then a space, then your next keyword. What's the next keyword going to be? Well, it's not going to be near me. We're not allowed to put that because Google doesn't like it, and you might get your profile suspended. Do not put near me anywhere in here. Okay, but what we are going to put in is flowers delivered. Flowers delivered. So I'm not going to put it in here. Okay, well, I can't do that, I suppose. So you put in, okay, so this is my florist name. Okay, bad name for a florist, but anyway. So florist, then space, pipe, space, then flowers delivered, then a space, then another pipe, then a space, and any other keywords. Flowers delivered. Yeah, so wedding bouquets, definitely. I know for a fact that's got a load of searches. Wedding bouquets. I know I didn't say that right, but anyway, looks about right. I'm not. It doesn't look right. But anyway, you know what I mean. Okay. Oh, I'm really giving my poor English hammer in there. Just doesn't look right. Anyway, okay, so it's supposed to be bouquet. All right, and then any other keywords. Now, the jury's out on this next one, and I would say don't do it just in case. But if you're in Belfast, we always used to put in the city name at the end. However, Google's getting a bit dodgy with that, and you may get your Google business listing suspended if you do it. You might not, but you also might. If you get it suspended, you can put in a form and appeal it, and they'll give you it back. It's a hassle. It takes, it can take up to 10 business days. So if it was me, leave out the city, just in case. But if you're feeling a bit adventurous, stick it in there, okay? But, big disclaimer, okay, you may get your account suspended. Okay. So once you've done that, just click apply. I'm not going to, but what'll happen is it'll say pending, under review. It'll say under review. All you do is just give it a minute, just refresh it up here, and once it's changed there, it will also change here. As soon as it changes here, then you are live. You are live on Google. Next thing, and this is a quick bonus if you don't already know, if you just go to home, what you need to do is you need to concentrate on getting Google reviews, all right? Even more than Facebook reviews. Where do people go when they're looking for stuff? They go to Google most of the time, okay? So if we scroll down, get more reviews. Yeah, yours might be on the right. I don't know. Look, it's the way Google is. It just moves it around for different people. Depending on where it is, it'll say get more reviews. All you do is you click share review form, and you click once on this link. Watch what happens. It says click to copy link. Look, link copied. A lot of people think they have to drag, copy, paste. No, you just click once on it, link copied, and I'll show you what happens. Right? Show you how easy this is. Okay, you can. So if you send this link to people, either Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, flipping Twitter, Instagram, email, you name it, you send them out to people you've done business with. Now I'm just going to paste it here. As you can see, G page, Google page, and review. Watch what happens. I'm just going to hit return. And this is how easy it is for people to leave a review. Okay, so a pop-up box will appear. There you go. And boom, look. Now obviously, I'm logged into Google, so I'm posting. But this will be your client, one of your clients' names. But they do need a Google account. Just tell them that, okay? Then tell them to log into your Google account. Click that link, and boom, just bing, and then leave a quick review and post. How easy was that? Okay. Rather than, and this is what most people do. They basically they say, right, okay, what I want you to do is just type in Red Chili Digital into Google. And then if you scroll down, you click on Google reviews. Yeah, then you scroll down. Okay. Where is it? Oh, hang on. It's not showing them. Anyway, further down here, it'll say leave a review. By the time you've told people to do all that, they're sleeping. Okay, so just give them that wee link, click, and it opens up that box, and bam, they'll leave it straight in for you. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you found it useful. Any questions at all, just leave them below this vid. Have a great day. Speak to you soon.